What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I got a whole bunch of more cool, pretty unique and weird gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what they're all about. I got it here, a leaf razor. This is super unique. It's all metal. There's some razors in here, and if you unspin this, it unlocks. There's different colors. They sell out so fast, so I just got a pink one. But yeah, there is a 1, 2, and 3 layers of blades, and it is easy to find those blades. The way it works, lift it up, lay the first blade in, it'll snug in there, then grab another blade and snuggle in there, and then one more blade, boom, lock it in, and boom. And then all I have to do, there you go, twisted it, and now it's tight, boom. And I want to replace the blades. All I have to do is just lift it up, remove the blade, lift it up, remove the blade, and lift it up, remove the blade. Wow, well protected. Comes with a wire. Okay, waterproof, water resistance, beautiful. Wow, looks like a capsule. There's a little tripod, a holder, and unspin this. Looks like a miniature water bottle, but it is very compact. USB, USB-C, very good, with the little rubber ring, so that way whenever it's closed, it seals it well. They're stout, output, battery 10,000 N, waterproof, dustproof, beautiful, shock resistant. So that's good. Okay, beautiful. And this is USB-C into USB, so charging it, well, I guess I could charge it both ways too. In case I have USB-C plug, I can charge it this way, or USB-C to this, you can charge it as well. Let's see. Yes, it's charging. Oh, there's a button on and off to see how charged that is. Beautiful, I like it. Nest Out outdoor gear flashlight. So it looks like comes with 30 lumens on maximum 1000 lumens, and there's tripod, holder, instructional. There's the tripod, and tripod will go into this kind of batteries. Unfold. It could be hung with a carabiner or lanyard. Set up this way. Open that. I think this will spin on attachment, and then this will plug in. Yep, that's it, plugged in. And we have right here, ooh, up and down. Wow, nice. So if I hang it, the light will be this way on the tripod. Let's see, the flashlight on. I can go up and down. If I hang it upside down, have it like a lantern. And let's see, on. Ooh, yeah, that's bright. I like it. Look at that. It is a really nice lantern lamp. I can set it up, have a little light up area. Very cool. Easily detach and attach a drill by just plugging it in and off. There's a little screw that can be removed just like that, and it used to be a little clip, so I got this to replace it. And it comes with the Allen wrench screw. Just plug it in and it's good. It's not going anywhere, and if I try to remove it, it's not going anywhere. I grab it and lift it up, boom. Once I'm done and I want to remove the whole thing, I could do that. And there's a clip for the belt to where it will catch it, so I could lift it up right here, and there's a hook for the belt. Really good. And if I grab this, locks in and keeps it together, so I will not lose it. It'll stay together till I put it on my belt. Nightcore ADC 17, 1500 lumens, 230 minutes. There's other information, and it comes with whole bunch of stuff like a charger and a little holder, lanyard. Flip it over. Okay, this is so unique. It is a square design, but button is so conveniently placed right here with the charging lights amount. So first click, this is like brightness settings. Ooh, that's really bright. And then we have, let's see, this is unlocked. Put it right here on the smallest. Then we have pointer. Then a black light. Yeah, this is black light. And then, so 3 options. Let's go on the black light. No. On the brightest. Yeah, black light will have different brightness settings as well. Beautiful. Ooh, big clip. The door to recharge it. USB-C, that's great. Ooh, easy to open, easy to slide it back in. And is there a lanyard? I guess lanyard will go into one of these. And also screws, so replaceable, removable clip. That's great. Nice, beautiful. Is this a window breaker? Looks like a little window breaker right here. Yeah, so convenient. I love it. And then it has memory, so whatever we have left it last. So for let's say contractors point out something on the side of the house. Okay, laser off and laser on. So it will have memory on the flashlight. It's so easy to turn it on and off from brightest to lowest. Make it very, very convenient, and I love how it is hold and feel in the hand. You just open it and this whole thing comes out. So it comes in a plastic. To refill it, boom. And there's the rope. It sits in there really good. And then just pull out as much rope as I need. And this is 1,100 pounds stain test. So just twist it this way and it stays in there plugged, like kind of plugged in there, or whatever you want to call it. Kind of tighten in there. Then boom, there you go. That's how I want to open it. And now it's not going to come off. And look at this, all of the utility nuts and all of the nuts that you kind of basic nuts that you want to learn. That's is on the bottle. That is unique. And this one is 70 feet. There's no nuts on it. But yeah, just almost double the size of the rope and the length. And it's very, very smooth. That is what we need to know. So it's not tangling. And look at that skinny rope. That is very, very durable. Lightweight. Ready to go. I like it. SOG switch pliers. One-handed multi-tool. So in case I'm holding something and I need pliers, take it off of my pocket. Boom. And then just grab it and use it. Very convenient, really good assistance. Have a really nice clip, and the button, push and then fold it. Firm flick, comes out so well. Tight, nice. And then there's a whole bunch of multi-tools right here. Okay, wow, okay. Opens this way and opens everything else up, which is very convenient. So Phillips head, flat head with a bottle opener, knife, partially serrated, punch knife, and a can opener. And when everything else closed, this right here now locked in. One at a time, push that and then fold it. Then this right here, this is a lanyard holder, keychain holder, spins this way and locks back in if not needed. But yeah, very convenient. Push the button, lock it. Zippo UFO collection. So I got this one, glow in the dark. Check this out. So there's a little sticker, very easy to unspin. I mean, take it off, and there you go. There's a cow, human, UFO, boom, strikeable, and beautiful. Okay, zip insert, and it is glow in the dark. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like in the dark. This is so cool. Close up. Let's see, camera having hard time focusing, but there it is. It's definitely glowing really good. I can open it. Boom. That is so cool. I love that hair. You can see the beam of light from UFO. Beautiful art. Porta wipes. Has a little container. Nice and tight. Open it. Take as much as needed. Take one. It's a compressed towelette. It's a star towel. Okay. Then put a little bit of water in it, and it will expand so good. So it does require a little bit of water to expand it. Just put water over, and then we have moist towelette. It's easy to unfold it. It's durable. Look at this pattern. Breathable, absorbing all the water really good, all that. And you have moist wipe. Look at that water absorb. So I can dry it out a little bit, still wet, rinse it off, use it. Very nice and useful. In a camping situation, can wash my hands with a little bit of water, a little bit of soap. Boom, moist it again, and really rinse off my hands good with this, and even face, whatever it takes. Love it. Here's a cute little charger. The ears are wiggly, and there's a plug, foldable, so when not in use, it could be put away. When in use, the legs will fold, it will go on a plug, or if there's one open to where slide could be staying open. But if it goes in one of those extension cords, fold them up, will look like this. When not in use, looks cool. Ears, adjustable, twistable, super unique. USB and USB-Cs. It says, what is it? 18 volt, 20 volt, 65 volt. Wow, that's quite unique. So beautiful little bot. There's information. I like it. Yeah, it goes up and down like this. I guess I can look up. Oh, I like that. Figurine charger. Impossible puzzle. Let's see what's about. Ooh, it says the clearly impossible puzzle. Ooh, this is like a mosaic. So that was going to be hard because there's no picture. So you kind of like have to do the guessing game, and the worst part is they all kind of fit. So you have to keep trying to where it's perfect one. That one gonna be a challenge for sure. Like it looks like that's it, but it's even really hard to see. It looks like this is it, but it's not quite. Wow, there's such a good close, but there's no picture to match it up. That's going to be a hard one. 20-second zipper repair. Multi-pack, different sizes. So I think I need one of this. Got it here, Christmas tree bag. Put it to the edge. Lock it till it's clean. Clicks. It clicked. And then, boom. The bag is ready to go again. And then push it this way. If it's too big, want to replace it or save it. Boom. Ready to go again. Super easy. I love that. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.